Today, I went on a little adventure to Sabon gari market here in Kano State to create my own abayas from scratch. And let me tell you, it was mixed of hustle, creativity, and a touch of luxury. So first step was fabric hunting. I wanted something classy and simple but still playful. So we picked this green fabric and pink one. Of course, abayas will not be complete without a veil, so we have to pick a matching veil that will be perfect with the abayas. Next was time for lace. I wanted the lace to elevate the abayas, give it a little bit of details on the sleeve and around the edge of the veil. And this is the one we picked for the pink one, while this one for the green one. Then the tailor showed us a sample of the design, and honestly, I love it because it was exactly what I have in mind. Now this part was interesting. Instead of just lapping the lace, or let's say attaching the lace on top of the veil, I wanted them to cut it. So this is me showing them how to cut it, and they use heat to cut it, and guys, look at the outcome, so unique. And the last thing was the magic. That was the stitching. They stitch everything together, and it's always so satisfying to watch a fabric into something wearable. And here is the final result, from a market fabric to these beautiful abayas, screaming luxury. This was a fun experience for me, creating a luxury in my own little way. If you enjoy something like this, make sure you subscribe. Bye.